Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home, and welcome to our official moving day video. If you haven't seen the previous video, which was an empty house tour and getting our rental townhouse all clean, then be sure that you go back and watch that before you watch the moving video, just so that you can stay up to date on what is going on. So I'm up here at the rental with Owen. I just got done getting everything cleaned except for the bathroom. I still have to do that, but I'm waiting for the water to get turned on. Jalen is back down at our house with Kyle. He was getting some things done down there while I was up here at the rental with Owen finishing up the cleaning. I have our first load in the back of the truck. It's all of the stuff for the boys' room, but I'm gonna go see how much of that I can get unloaded before my husband gets here. Everything in the truck unloaded. Now I'm just waiting on my husband. He is going to be bringing lunch with him, and I am so hungry because I've been working so hard all morning cleaning and unloading that truck. What we're trying to do is each load that we bring is for a different room so that we can just put it all right into that room. Like the whole truck was loaded with the boys' room stuff, so I unloaded that all into their room. It just helps to keep things a little bit more organized instead of unloading everything into one pile in the living room and then you got to sort through it all. Just makes it a whole lot easier, and some of you guys suggested this as well. I'm just waiting to get a hold of the water and sewer company so that I can get the water turned on so that I can clean that bathroom, because I can't start cleaning it until that water gets on so that I can clean the tub and the toilet and all that. So I'm kind of done with everything. I'm just waiting on Jalen to get here with the food, and he also has a load of stuff in his little truck. I got all the stuff unloaded into the boys' room and their closets. Obviously, we still need to bring their bunk beds and their like white dresser, but it's starting to feel like home in here. Once you get your stuff into a house, it starts to feel more like home. I finally got the key to work for our storage room. So we have this whole giant storage room that we can store stuff in, and I see that he also has the paint for the house in here, which is nice because there's a couple spots in the wall and the doors that I would love to touch up. So it's day 2 of moving. It's pretty early in the morning. We actually spent the night at the new house last night just because we already had the mattresses over there and stuff, and we decided to just stay over there. But now I'm heading back up our old driveway because we've still got quite a few things to pack up and move out of our house. And I did a major fail yesterday. I forgot the camera, so I wasn't able to film like us moving the big load, like all the couches and the table and all that kind of stuff. I think I got a little clip of like the trailer all full, but I didn't actually get footage of us moving it because I forgot the camera and all that kind of stuff. So I will try to get some more footage today for you guys. So we've been going through all of the hall closets and the back room closet. We hadn't packed any of those yet, and this is all the trash that we accumulated to throw away. We're just trying to really declutter, get rid of stuff. Okay, so I was sitting here editing this moving video and I realized that I didn't give it a proper ending. I'm sorry that I didn't have a ton of footage. This was kind of a shorter video today. I just didn't quite get as much filmed as I wanted to. We actually were moving for 3 days straight because there was some stuff in the house that we still had to pack the one day, some closets, the spare room. So it ended up being like 3 days of moving and we were so incredibly busy all day long. I was the most exhausted after that I've been in a long time. So I just didn't get as much filmed as I wanted, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed at least getting to see a little peek at all of the moving that we did. I have been working on unpacking the house. I'm not unpacking everything because this is just temporary. So we do have a storage room where I'm storing a ton of stuff. I actually just got an email from Teddy Blake. I worked with them a few videos back and they had sent me this beautiful bag that I showed you guys, and they're going to be having some very exciting promotions and sales coming up here with it being Black Friday next week. And I plan on doing most of my Christmas shopping on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And this bag would make a beautiful Christmas gift for someone, or any of the Teddy Blake bags or wallets. And if you guys didn't see my Teddy Blake bag in my previous video, here's a little closer look at it. These are real leather. They're made in Italy. They are such beautiful bags. Anybody would be excited to get one of those for Christmas, so make sure that you check out the sales that they have going on. And thank you guys so much for watching this moving day video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in a couple days with a new video. Bye.